I'm Chris. This is my CS50 final project. It's a 3D RPG game, which is done in the Unity game engine using C# for all the coding. The game itself is just point to click. The objects are also interaction via point and click. The save game doesn't actually save anything. There's nothing to save at this point, so I didn't really implement that. Dialogue is also done through the same system. It just uses the built-in UI in Unity, which displays objects on the screen itself. And all the dialogue and information in health is just updated constantly by a code, in this case using a custom dialogue item class, but that can pretty much do whatever you want. You can put almost anything there using the built-in system. You just have to code it in. Dialogue items and dialogue system is used for pretty much everything, not just dialogue. So all the interactions are run through that whenever I need to display text or instructions. And in this case, the exit out of dialogue with continue or exit pretty much just closes it for the NPC. But on objects, you can code that, or I built a system to code it so you can do other things. In this case, it loads the next scene. The game manager item, which doesn't actually render, handles all of the music, fade out, fade in, etc. So that doesn't get destroyed when this next scene loads. But aside from that, everything else gets reloaded each time there's a new scene. The controls stay pretty much the same the entire time. Equip a weapon is B. I've only coded in a melee weapon since this is just the first part, but the system is expandable, so in theory you could add in other weapons. Then the other main thing is the enemy AI, which isn't really an AI, it's just a couple of simple tasks that it performs. It moves closer to you if you're far away after you get close enough to sort of activate it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it.